In this video, we will be providing a simple and easy fix for loose kitchen hardware. To complete this maintenance project, you will need a screwdriver, a microfibre cloth, a scourer or soft brush, and multi-purpose cleaner. First, let's discuss an easy fix for loose handles. Simply open the door, locate the loose screw, and tighten with the appropriate screwdriver. Avoid using power tools as this can cause damage to the panel and hardware. If it is the hinges that need tightening, simply locate the clip at the back and carefully remove, revealing the two outer screws. Carefully tighten these until the hinge is firmly in place. Reattach the hinges by aligning, then clipping down at the back. If there is dirt, grime, or surface rust present, it may be worth cleaning hinges as well as the surrounding area with an appropriate cleaner.